Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in this Max Waters Very Easy Sudoku Volume 1. There is a link down in the description, or you can just find it on Amazon. I do make a small commission if you were to buy it. Alright, so today we're working on number 155. If we start with this box here, we're missing 5, 7, and 9. We've got a 7 and 9 here, so this is our 5. 7 here, so 9, 7. For this box, we're missing 5, 7, and 9. We've got the 5 and 9 there, so 7, 5 and 7 here, so 9, 5. To finish out this top row, we're missing a 6. And for this row, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, we're missing an 8. For this box, then, we're missing a 2 and 4. We've got a 4 here, so 2, 4. For this column, we're missing 3, 4, and 8. We've got the 8 here, so 3, 4. Then we've got 3 and 8 here, so this is our 4, so this is our 3 and 8. For this box, we've got 1, 2, 3. We're missing 4, 5, and 8. We've got the 4 here. Oh, and an 8 there. So 5, that 8 means this is our 4. So our 8 has to be here. For this box now, we're missing 1, 7, and 9. We've got a 1 and 9 here. So 7, a 9 here makes this our 1 and 9. For this box, we're missing 3, 6, and 9. We've got a 9 covering these two boxes, so 3, 6, and we've got a 3 here. So that makes this our 6, 3, and 9. For this column, then, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're missing a 9. For this column, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We're missing 5 and 6. We've got a 5 here, so 6, 5. For this box, then, we're missing a 1 and a 7, and I don't see any help. So 1, 7, 1, 7. For this column, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're missing 6 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 6, 7. That 7 makes us our 1, 7. To finish out this row, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're missing a 6. For this bottom row, we're missing 2 and 3, and I don't see any help. So 2, 3, 2, 3. For this row, we're missing a 1 and a 4. We've got a 4 up here, so 1, 4. For this row, we're missing 1 and 8. We've got a 1 here, so 8, 1. For this row, we're missing 3 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 3, 9. That 3 makes this our 2 and 3. So to finish off this box now, we're missing a 2 and a 7. We've got a 7 here, so 2 and 7. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a really good day, and I will see you back here tomorrow for our next puzzle.